You want the freedom that an online business offers, but you're currently broke, or you just don't have the money to start. You're definitely motivated, you're determined, you're just caught up in an unfortunate situation. Well, listen, we've all been there. My name is Eric Ellis Jr., and I've got your back. When I first started, I was broke too, and I was able to go from homeless to living the laptop lifestyle in less than 12 months. So I'm more than qualified to cover this subject. In this video, I'll be covering how to get started with affiliate marketing for absolutely free, even if you're dead broke. And before we get into the content, if you want to know my number one recommendation to make money online, go ahead and click the first link in the description. And if you like videos about entrepreneurship and online marketing, make sure to hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell. What's going on, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. here. And as stated, I wanted to go ahead and cover how to get started if you are dead broke, or how to get started in affiliate marketing in general for absolutely free, right? So I'm gonna get right into the content now. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this in 5 practical steps that you can implement into your business right after you finish watching this video. And the most important step is number 5. So make sure you watch this video to the very end to get access to the number 1 step, right? So what are the 5 steps? Step number 1 is you're gonna go ahead and need an affiliate marketing niche, right? Before you even get started for free or know where you wanna start, right? You need to know your niche. What is the space or the category or the genre that you're gonna go ahead and find affiliate marketers in, affiliate marketing offers in? So what I would highly recommend is health, wealth, and romance. The reason why is because they're very broad. There's a lot of people in those niches, and you're always going to have a lot of data and a lot of people that you can get your affiliate products in front of, which is going to be very profitable for you. So that way we can get you from dead broke or not having any money to finally getting one step closer to living that laptop lifestyle, right? So find your niche, health, wealth, or romance. That's what I would highly recommend. Step number 2 is we need to go ahead and find a profitable affiliate marketing offer. Now, where are we gonna go ahead and find that offer? I would highly recommend clickbank.com. Now, there are some affiliate offers that you can invest into that you can actually generate a lot of income from. However, if you're dead broke or you wanna get started for free, right? We're gonna wanna look for offers that we can promote for free, and with those profits, maybe eventually reinvest, right? With ClickBank, it's an affiliate network that you can literally find hundreds, if not thousands of affiliate offers, especially in those 3 evergreen niches. So if you want to figure out where to go, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and create a ClickBank account. Once you create a ClickBank account, you're going to go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you're going to go to the marketplace. Once you go to the marketplace, you're then going to go ahead and search through the categories, right? On the left-hand side. With those categories, you're going to go ahead and look at the health and fitness niche, the e-business and e-marketing, which would be the wealth niche, and then the self-help niche, where you can find subcategories, which is the romance, right? So depending on which niche you looked at, you're gonna go ahead and search for a specific offer. Now, once you go ahead and look through the offers, what I'd highly recommend, if you're a complete beginner, is searching for the gravity score, right? So if you look by the offers, there's gonna be a little section that states gravity, right? And what the gravity is simply the amount of affiliates who have generated an income with that affiliate offer within the last week or 2, right? So if other people are making money with it, right, then you should be able to make money with it. Now, once you find an offer, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go ahead and use a link shortener, which comes to step number 3. I would recommend going to something like bit.ly.com, and once you go to bit.ly.com, you're literally going to create your link with ClickBank, and it gives you this long, ugly link that you definitely don't want to use, right? Once you go to ClickBank, you're going to go ahead and get that long link, and then you're going to go ahead and shorten it and make it more digestible for people, something more clickable, I guess you could say. So that way people would actually want to click on your affiliate marketing links, right? So you're going to go to bit.ly.com, shorten your link. Now, step number 4 is very important, right? This is where the money is made. We need to figure out how to get people to those affiliate offers, right? How can we get people in front of it who are more likely to buy? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to get targeted traffic in front of our affiliate links simply with 2 ways, right? And it's basically SEO marketing, SEO content marketing, search engine optimization. Now, what does that mean? Simply, we're going to be creating content around specific keywords that people are searching for to solve a specific problem that our affiliate product solves. Let me give you an example, right? And there's two ways that I would highly recommend doing this, right? Number one is a YouTube channel, which is absolutely free. And if you are scared of videos and you're scared of creating content like this, then the second step, it's not free, may cost you under $100, very low cost, but I'm giving you the free option. The free option is YouTube. But if you don't want to create content around YouTube, then you can create a blog. And with those blogs, which you can do, same YouTube and the blogs, a WordPress blog, you can start creating content around these specific keywords. Let me give you 3 different examples. Number one, if I was in promoting products within the wealth niche, what are some things that people are trying to figure out, right? A keyword that I can make content around is how to make money online, right? That's a keyword. Now, when people search for this keyword, depending on how good your content is and your watch time, whether it's on your blog, the more people stay on your blog, right? The more Google's algorithm is going to say, oh, this is a really good blog. They're going to go ahead and keep it, and then they're going to start ranking your content. With YouTube, the more you keep people on that YouTube platform, the better your content. People are going to watch all the way through. Your content is going to start ranking, right? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to leverage this content and we're going to give that person value. But then, right, our content is going to go ahead and give them some tips to help them get one step closer to that desired result. Whether if they want to make money online, obviously they're searching how to make money online. You can give them information, but then our product that we're going to be recommending, right, that link, that bit.ly link that we're going to be recommending is going to allow us to promote that product, right? We're going to go ahead and give people value. It's like what Gary Vee says, jab, 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 right hook. We're going to be jabbing, and then that right hook is going to be that product recommendation. Listen, you want to make money online? These are some routes. If you want quicker results, check this out. Boom, you're going to recommend your product. And those are people who are more likely to buy because it's search engine optimization. People are already searching to solve this problem. Just like you're watching this video and you want to go ahead and learn about affiliate marketing, if I was to go ahead and recommend a product about affiliate marketing, that would get you one step closer to crushing it and getting your desired results. You'd be all over it, right? Because people want things quicker. Another example is with weight loss. How to lose weight is a keyword. And we're going to create either a YouTube video or we're going to create a blog post around that keyword. Now, obviously, you're not going to use that exact keyword. You kind of want to switch it up a little bit, but we're going to make that content. We're going to start ranking our content, and then we're going to make product recommendations throughout that content. Number 3, romance is how to flirt with the opposite sex or something like that, right? And believe it or not, people search that, how to talk to women or something, right? This keyword, these are keywords that people are searching. How to get a girlfriend, how to get a girlfriend, how to flirt. These keywords that you can create blog posts around or YouTube videos around, and then eventually recommend a product that can get that person to their wants and then their desires much quicker, which will put cash in your pocket. So that's the first option, right? Is search engine optimization marketing. And number 2 is product reviews. So what we can do is we can actually just start reviewing affiliate products, right? Give our take on it. And if we like it, we give it a positive review and then we recommend it so we can create a blog post of a review and we can create a YouTube video creating a review. Now, if you don't like the product, then what you can do is you can go ahead and say, listen, I don't like this product. Here's the reasons why. However, you're obviously looking to lose weight or you're obviously looking to make money. Check this out. Then you can go ahead and make a product recommendation to something you're promoting as an affiliate. So it's a win-win. Whether you like the product or you don't like the product, do the review. If you like it, recommend it, get a commission. If you don't like it, then go ahead and recommend something else, get a commission. Now, because you're giving your honest opinion, whether you like it or whether you're not, they're already on the fence. They're looking to buy. So those are very prospective buyers, people who are looking to make a purchase, which is going to increase your overall earning potentials, right? People are going to be like literally It's going to increase your conversions. People are literally ready to buy then and there, right? So that's a great method. And last but not least, step number 5. I knew step number 4 took a little bit longer, but step number 5 is actually the most important out of all of them, right? If we don't want to stay broke and we don't want to continue to do free, right? Because free takes a while. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. This takes a while. This takes effort. This takes consistent energy. This takes time. But what we can do is we can reinvest. Step number 5, reinvest your commissions and your revenue and your income back into your business. Now, what are some of the first things that you guys should invest into? Number 1, a sales funnel software, ClickFunnels. If you guys do have a little bit of money, there should be a link somewhere down in the description where it says sales funnels. You guys can get access to that software, right? It's going to help you automate your sales process. So instead of doing those little Bitly links, it'll automate your sales process and it'll allow you to capture leads. Next, you're going to need an autoresponder. You can find that down below, right? With an autoresponder, you're going to be able to remarket to your prospects. The fortune is in the follow-up. And last but not least, once you set up these systems, right, then you want to start reinvesting that money back into paid traffic. Facebook ads, Google ads. The list goes on. I can continue to do talk about traffic generation, but at the end of the day, if we're talking about free traffic, the best traffic is search engine optimization because it's evergreen traffic. You might create one piece of content that will be generating you passive income for years to come. Meaning, how long are people going to be searching how to make money online? For years. You might have created a video in 2015, it's 2018, and that video still ranked, right? That's the power of search engine optimization marketing, right? So with that being said, that is how you create an affiliate marketing business. If you're dead broke, for free, no money, no cost whatsoever. If you like that video, be sure to like, comment, and share. And also be sure to smash that subscribers button and notifications bell to join Wolves Nation. Lastly, if you're tired of working a 9 to 5, you want to be your own boss. You want to travel the world, create a life by design, or even just the freedom to work whenever and wherever you want. Make sure to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online by clicking the first link in the description. And I want to thank you for spending your valuable time with me. I know you could be spending it somewhere else, so thank you. And until next time, your friend and mentor, Eric Ellis Jr., checking out.